This is a screencast on how to look at your grades for each of your assignments and then look at the teacher's feedback. When you are in your Canvas course, if for some reason the teacher has hidden the grade link to get into the gradebook, sometimes teachers have done this either on purpose or they don't realize that it's not showing. There's actually a back door to get into that gradebook. And for online high school, we always have that showing because that's where our grades are going to be displayed. We don't use the online gradebook like they do during the regular school year in your classes at your home school. We use that gradebook to report your weekly snapshot grade. So on Fridays, we will post your current grade to date on there on Fridays, and we won't actually update that grade daily. It'll only be once a week. You'll see that grade updated. Access your grades for your daily assignments and to get feedback for those assignments, you will want to look at your gradebook in Canvas. So again, if you don't see the grade link inside each course, you can access that from your dashboard. So if you scroll down here, you'll see a button that says View Grades. If you click there, it will take you to a list of your courses that you're taking. And so you would just click on the class from there. And it will take you inside your Canvas course to your gradebook. Hopefully your teacher has left that on and you would see that over here. So that's the other way to get. That's the front door. I just showed you the button to use the back door to get to the same place. So this is your list of assignments. And you'll notice in here, it shows you a couple of things. It'll show you if you've turned the assignment in late or if it's still showing up as missing, if you haven't actually turned it in. And then right here, we'll show you what your score is on the assignment and then how much that assignment was out of. So if an assignment was out of 5, then over here on the left-hand side will be the score that you received out of 5. The other thing that you'll notice is what if there are comments that the teacher has left for you, you can see that will be visible for you. So that's what the little conversation balloons are right here. So if you click on that, it will open up where those comments are. So right here it says, "This is great. Thank you for uploading your pictures." So this particular assignment must have had an upload picture portion to it. So the teacher's just saying, "Thank you for uploading." If you want to go into the assignment and see more information about what you submitted, you can click on the link of the assignment and it will open up where you have submitted your work. So this is actually the assignment that you submitted. So this is your response to the assignment, and there we can see the picture that was uploaded. If you want to go and actually see what the assignment was that the teacher posted as the assignment, that link is up here. And then you'll also see there's that comment that the teacher posted. If you want to leave a comment back to the teacher, you can put that here. You can also leave a media comment, or if the teacher said, "Can you attach more information?" you would attach it here. I'm going to go back to the gradebook so you can see some more information. I wanted you to be able to see on the comments, here's another example. If a teacher has decided to leave you a video or an audio response, so the first one I showed you up here was just them typing a comment. So it's in text format. But this one is an example of a teacher leaving an audio response. And if it was a video, it would just be a little video right here also. So when I click on this, it's an audio file that the teacher has actually just recorded their voice giving a response. And sometimes that's nice because then they're able to be a little more articulate in what they're saying to you about what you need to fix on your assignment. So if you see a box like this, it's just the teacher recording their voice telling you a response to something either they want you to correct on your assignment or giving you some positive feedback about what you did in the assignment and what you submitted. That is how you look at each individual assignment. Again, the online gradebook where you normally would go to look at assignments, we do not use that for online high school for reporting. We use Canvas. So please check here for all of your assignment grades. Thanks for watching.